busy with Mathematics Day. And we enjoyed yesterday with multiple projects done by our fellow mates. Now today we gather here to know about Christmas celebrations. I hope everyone is very eager to know about the importance of the beautiful day. So I am inviting my friend to say a few words about this day.
On 25th December, Christmas is celebrated by the world Christian community to commemorate the birth of Jesus Christ. It is the most important festival of the Christians and also the most awaited one.
It is a major festival celebrated by the Christmas community on 25th December in every year. It is celebrated to commemorate to the birth of the Jesus Christ, the Son of God. Christmas is observed as a public holiday in many countries as a optional holiday in some. In America, Christmas is celebrated as a long holiday in schools, colleges and even offices. Christmas preparations begin with the purchasing of a pine tree known as the Christmas tree. Families spend hours shopping as a Christmas tree that suit their requirements and house. The Christmas tree is decorated with lights, lamps and other small articles. Gifts for the children and the families are also hanged from its branches and surprise.
This time boy or girl, Lucky? Definitely boy, huh? Girl, girl. But this time boy is here. Okay. 4th class, Lucky boy and Varshit. My name should be there. Shall I read out the name? Manvita, lucky fellow, come here. Come on, give her a round of applause. Manvita is here. Lucky fellow.
அதிசயம் இந்த ஆண்டு நடக்க போகுது அற்புதம் அதிசயம் இந்த ஆண்டு நடக்க போகுது கவலைப்படாத 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 அற்புதங்கள் புரிய போகுது அற்புதங்கள் புரிய போகுது சூப்பர்
Come on, clap everyone.
சூப்பர்
Okay. Ella. Okay. K. Hrutik. K. Hrutik. Ready up, boy or girl? Guess and tell me. Boy and girl. Boy or girl? 10th class boys. Tell me who might be the lucky. All names were written. Madam, any names రాశారు కదా? Boy or girl? Boy, direct head boy. Girl or boy? Okay. Be ready to shout. Be ready to give a round of applause. MD Rehan. Come here.